Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use auto hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here in connections, click on mobile hotspot and tethering, and then click on your mobile hotspot. Now here scroll down and then you will see a auto hotspot option. So tap on this option, and here it says that when you will turn on auto hotspot, it will share this phone's internet connection automatically with other devices that are signed in to your Samsung account, or with other devices that are part of your Samsung account family group. So just simply turn on this button and then it will automatically share the internet with your other devices. So that's how you can use the auto hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.